Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you what is alkaline water, myth, facts, and how alkaline water is made in Water Ioniser. As you can see in the picture here, there is a reading of 8.5. This indicates the pH of the water. pH above 7 implies that the water is alkaline. What are the facts about alkaline water? Alkaline water has a pH between 8 to 9, which is a weak alkali. Alkaline water contains alkaline minerals and negative oxidation reduction potential, ORP, which is the ability of water to act as pro or antioxidant. The more negative ORP implies that the water is more antioxidizing. Another fact about alkaline water is that it deactivates pepsin, which is an enzyme found in our stomach. This enzyme requires an acidic environment to work optimally. So with alkaline water, it deactivates this enzyme, make it more inactive. This enzyme is also known to cause acid reflux. Myth. Myth is not equivalent to lies. When I say myth here, I like to establish the fact that myth to me means statements or claims made by people or studies that need to be further validated. There may be studies, but it's not sufficient to validate the statement. Further tests need to be done to confirm the statement or claim made to make into a fact. So this is the first one. Drinking alkaline ionized water benefit people with high blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol. It was claimed that blood will flow more efficiently with alkaline water because it increases oxygen delivery throughout the body. Alkaline water is known to improve immune system support. Alkaline water resists formation of cancer cells. I remember my cousin bought alkaline water and water ionizer for their mom, who was on the verge of death because she was diagnosed with cancer. So they bought water ionizer and made her drink alkaline water, hoping that the alkaline water will help to reduce the growth of cancer cells. Alkaline water causes weight loss. Another myth is alkaline water has anti-aging properties due to the fact that liquid antioxidants are absorbed more easily into human cells. There are studies made on it, but more studies are needed. The last myth is the most popular one, which intrigue people and attract people to buy water ionizer. So this is a simplified diagram on how a water ionizer works. The left side is the alkaline ionized water that comes out. The right side is the acidic ionized water. They are separated by a special membrane, which disallows the mixture of the two types of water. There are electrodes there where chemical reactions take place to form the various hydrogen ion or hydroxide ion. So the inlet to this water ionizer is connected to the tap water here. So the water enters here and reactions take place at the electrodes to form alkaline water and acidic water respectively. Let's look at the chemical reactions occurring at the electrodes. So at electrode P, which is the cathode or negative electrode, it attracts water molecules to be reduced according to the equation below. Reduction implies the water molecules gain electrons to form hydroxide ions. So the hydroxide ions is responsible for the increase of pH of water. When there is a higher concentration of hydroxide ion over hydrogen ion, the water is alkaline. So the outlet of this is alkaline ionized water. On the other side, which is the electrode Q, known as the anode or positive electrode, it attracts water molecules to be oxidized according to the equation here. Oxidation implies the water molecules lost electrons, which explains why the electrons are written on the right-hand side, to form hydrogen ion. Therefore, the water here is more acidic because there's an increase in concentration of hydrogen ions, which lower the pH of the water, making the ionized water acidic over here. So the electrodes are either metal electrodes or graphite electrodes, which are conductors of electricity. They attract ions to them and carry out chemical reactions accordingly. The function of the membrane is this. It is designed to prevent mixing of the acidic and alkaline water. The larger polyatomic ions, which I will show in the next slide, cannot pass through the membrane, but smaller ions are able to do so to maintain electrical conductivity of the electrolyte, like here. So the larger polyatomic ions cannot pass through, and the smaller ions are able to move across the membrane to maintain electrical conductivity between the two sides. Because if the ions are not allowed to move, there will be a break in the circuit. The circuit needs to be completed, okay, to maintain electrical conductivity. Okay, so that's about it. I hope you enjoy my presentation. So do like my video. Don't forget to like it. And I hope you can subscribe to my channel. With more support, I will produce more science video to explain real life application of science. So I hope you will support me and share with your friend if you can. Thank you. Have a nice day.